To add an Expedia Tap booking, you're going to have your itinerary up and ready to edit. We're going to click on Edit. Then we will go to New Event, Booking, Expedia Tap, and you're going to get the itinerary number. I'll go grab the itinerary number off of Tap, copy it, paste, get booking. This was a previous booking, so I've got September 7th to the 9th, add to itinerary, and this is what your import looks like. You've got your itinerary number, the room and bed type, who it was booked through, Congress Plaza Hotel, and this is your preview. There it is.